Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. This is your science class and I welcome you all. Before moving forward, I have to show a video that is on the importance of discipline. So, here we go.
Hard work, determination, self-belief and persistence के अलावा एक क्वालिटी जो हर सक्सेसफुल इंडिविजुअल में पाई जाती है वो है डिसिप्लिन. Yes, discipline is one of the most important prerequisites for success. But unfortunately, everyone is aware of this fact, but few truly understand its real meaning. डिसिप्लिन का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फायदा क्या है? वेल, इट ब्रिंग्स स्ट्रक्चर एंड स्टेबिलिटी. इसकी शुरुआत होती है स्टूडेंट लाइफ से, और ये डिसिप्लिन सिर्फ स्कूल्स में ही नहीं बल्कि आप सोसाइटी में भी पाएंगे. नाउ व्हाई इज इट सो इम्पोर्टेंट? क्योंकि अगर डिसिप्लिन नहीं होगा तो पीपल वुड डू वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट एंड मेक मिस्टेक्स विदाउट पुटिंग द कंसिडरेशन ऑफ अदर्स फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट. लेकिन क्या डिसिप्लिन का मतलब है कि किसी फॉर्मेट में अपनी लाइफ को बांध देना? नहीं. डिसिप्लिन इज इन फैक्ट फ्रीडम. फ्रीडम फ्रॉम लेजीनेस एंड lethargy. Freedom from the expectations and demands of others. Freedom from weakness and fear and doubt. सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल देकर बात करते हैं. सोचिए कि अगर आपका गोल है एक अच्छा एनुअल रिजल्ट, तो आप क्या करेंगे? पढ़ाई. लेकिन उसे भी तो एक डिसिप्लिन से ही करेंगे. रोज एक एक चैप्टर की तैयारी करेंगे, फिर डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स की टाइमली रिविजन्स करेंगे, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को टीचर से शेयर करेंगे. इनफैक्ट अगर आप इस पूरे प्रोसेस को गौर से देखें तो यू विल फाइंड दैट द ब्रिज बिटवीन योर गोल एंड अकम्प्लिशमेंट इज डिसिप्लिन. इस डिसिप्लिन की वजह से ही हम आज सोसाइटी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और इनफैक्ट इस पूरे विश्व को चला पा रहे हैं. डू लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड
Hopefully, you will remember the importance of discipline in our life. So, let's begin with our today's lecture. So, manufacturing from raw material to useful product, chapter number 8 and lesson 2. Objective of lesson 2. In this lesson, you will learn raw materials and their useful products from air, from rocks and from water. Raw materials and their useful products from air. Air is consist of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and some inactive gases such as noble gases. These gases in the air is used as they are changed into other materials. As I told you earlier in my previous lecture about manufacturing, like we convert raw material into the useful products. So here nitrogen is used in the manufacture of ammonia and nitric acid. So useful products of ammonia and nitric acid: sleeping bag, rope, seat belt, hose, and tarpaulins are used in many ways to protect person and things from wind, rain, and sunlight. Even it can also use for camping purposes. The next we are having dental floss. Dental floss is actually a soft thread of floss silk used to remove food and dental plaque. Next is nitric acid. So is used in the manufacturing of explosive including fireworks that are mostly used in the opening ceremonies or the closing ceremonies of cricket matches, even in the marriages as well. And the power cleaner is also used in our home chores. Oxygen is used for breathing, and sometimes when we visit the hospitals, we might be you have noticed these cylinders are there. So these are the oxygen cylinders that are given to the patients for oxygen. So oxygen is used for breathing or mixed with fuels to produce very hot flames. So especially oxyacetylene is used for welding purposes. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used for the firefighting. Surely you have seen these cylinders of carbon dioxide in your school corridors. And manufacturing of fizzy drinks like Sprite, Fanta, Dew, 7-Up, all are these fizzy drinks. And keeping things cold when used in its solid form. Now here they are talking about the dry ice. Now the most common use of dry ice is to preserve food, and it is used to pack items that remain cold or frozen, such as ice cream. So noble gases. Noble gases such as helium, neon, and argon are used in various purposes. So helium is used to fill helium balloons. Neon is used in advertising lights. Like fast food restaurants are mostly use these advertising lights, and sometimes such as in some signboards are also there, and electric bulbs are filled with argon. So these noble gases are used for these purposes. Useful products of rocks means from rocks. Building materials such as mud, granite, limestone, and marble come from rocks. Like our first picture is uh, made up of mud. This house is made up of mud. Then the second one is granite. Granite is specially used for the prestigious material, and it is used in projects to produce impression of elegance and quality. And the third picture is of pyramids, and these pyramids are made up of limestone, especially in Egypt. And the last is the Taj Mahal. It is made up of white marble, but it doesn't mean that only Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. There are so many buildings that are made up of white marble. So here we are having one video regarding the constructions. So hope you will enjoy this. Ore. An ore is a natural occurrence of rock that contains sufficient minerals with economically important elements, typically metals, that can be economically extracted from the deposit. The ores must be processed to extract the elements of interest from the waste rock and from ore minerals. Now, in this picture, you are having copper ore. And from copper ore, we will get copper. And this copper is used for electrical wiring. We say that an ore is a natural occurrence of rock. So this is the rock like iron ore. From iron ore, we contain iron, and this iron is used to make steel for construction purposes. Hope I am clear. Water. From water, as we know that water itself is a very important raw material because it can dissolve many substances, and it is used in making a variety of foodstuff, drinks, liquid detergents, and many other products. So from seawater, we can obtain sodium chloride, which is used in our cooking and the manufacturing of useful chemicals such as chlorine. Now, chlorine is used to make hundreds of consumer products from paper to paints and from textile to insecticides. And sodium hydroxide is also very important chemical, such as it is also used in the manufacturing of fabrics and plastic. So hopefully I am clear to you all, and this lecture will be helpful for you people. And if you have any kind of question, you may ask, and we will meet inshallah in next video. Allah Hafiz.